Next season should Orlando Pirates izobe iswenka egroundini. Izobe iswenka egroundini iOrlando Pirates next season. Phela umswenko lo akusile ijezi leli. Akusilo ijezi but definitely ke leli ngiyalithenga ke leli. Ngiyalithenga especially the away jersey mfethu. Ngizolithenga lihle man, lihle. Yo,
guys, this t-shirt, this new Orlando Pirates t-shirt is trending more than CAF Champions League winners, guys. Now, this t-shirt is trending more than Mamelodi Sundowns lifting their CAF Champions League trophy. Adidas went too far here. Adidas, you went too far here. Now I'm going to get it, guys. There is no way. Next is it. New t-shirt, guys.
2026 to 2027 is absolutely beautiful, my friend. Adidas really respected the club's identity while giving it a modern Adidas cooked here.
Yabona abafana bami lelijezi likhishwe iPirates bafana bami. Hayi bafana bami. Hayi bafana bami ngeke bafana. Ya. Lelana ke bafana bami linobubhayeli. Angazi baphinde libe nobuMadrid. Hey yabo ngiyazi lento liyana. Khona lapho libe nobuGermany. Phela jezi lana lihlula wayona le ndebe eqeda kuwina leya. Le winiwe le. Engeke ize ngisho. Leka okhishwa 2 billion ukuze kuwina 100 million ngisho into pen leyo. Ukuthenga 2 billion babadlali. Ukuze kuwina 100 million. Okay fine, angikho lapho kodwa ke lihle la jezi mfowethu.
Hayi, iPirates ke sikhiphile ke ijezi layo for next season. Khona elinye elimnyama nalo lihle kodwa ngithe ake ngikhulume ngalela. Hayi. Sizithi impela kodwa la kusetshenziswe. Hayi Adidas ayidlali bafana. This is too much. Leli limnyama lihle. But ngikhuluma ngaleli mina. Leli. Hayi bafana ngeke. Adidas yapheka ke manje. Phinde yapheka nebafana sebepheka nePirates manje. Yo. Hayi. Kapa mfethu. Kapa ngicela ningizwe Kapa. Angithi niyababona omakhelwane benzeni. Abangahluli ngefashion bakithi. Abangahluli ngefashion nikhona. Delivan. Lele lethu khona lele lethu nje the main one enelcollar emnyama ngilithandile naleli besigqoka the season. But sebenyusa igear omakhelwane. Abangahluli ngefashion Kapa nikhona. Kapa ngiyangicela bandla Delivan. Ngiyazi futhi ukuthi nina nekhosi nizodeliver. Ngiyabonga kodwa ke bengithi ake ngincomele ijezi lihle kusetshenziswe la. Kapa ngiyabonga.
Into xa inhle anikwazi ungayincomi. There is no way ukuthi ngingangayincomi into enhle. Into engafuna into embi kuphela. Okokuqala maniqale ngicome Adidas ngokuhlela izinto zayo. Kugqibo phela isizini akukayiwa na ku pre-season but already iAdidas elikhupha ijezi elitsha lePirates. This is very beautiful mabhakani. I think ijezi lelinye lamajezi elizoba lihle throughout the season comparing wonke amajezi azawukhutshwa kule season izayo. This is very beautiful mabhakani. Xa ngibona elijezi ndibona iMadrid. Nikwi level yo Madrid xa senikhupha amajezi njengalena. This is very beautiful umona phansi. Azange nabanayo ke mina kumona but ndithethe inyani lento iyiyo. If ever yiyo into yiyo xa inhle xa imbi. This is very beautiful mabhakani andifuna ungatsho nikhuphile la.
Wow. Orlando Pirates and Adidas just cooked up one of the most beautiful football kits I've ever seen. This is their kit for next season, 2026-27 season, off the back of their treble winning season. They've just dropped this absolute banger. This is everything I love in a football jersey. The cream, the old school Pirates logo, the old school Adidas logo, the black collar, the gold stripes on the sleeves, all the branding, the Vodacom, the Suzuki in the same color as the accents. This is the perfect football jersey. Pirates just play all 30 games next season in this kit. Give me 10 of these. This is perfection. One of the most beautiful football kits I've ever seen. Adidas Pirates, nah, you're cooked. And then this is the home kit. Also really cool, also really beautiful, but yeah, the away kit, perfect.
Pirates are a match made in heaven, because what do you mean? What do you mean? Wow, what a beautiful kit, man. The elegance of it. It's giving royalty. It's giving treble winning. It's giving we want to win the Champions League next season. You know, I'm assuming this is going to be our home kit, right? Also with a touch of gold. It reminds me of the 2018-19 home kit that we had in terms of the pattern. I'm curious to see how it's going to look on the players on the pitch. Yo, it's going to be a long wait now. And you know what? This is my all-time favorite kit, by the way, here, Orlando Pirates. This is the 2006-2007 away kit. Excellent Walaza was my favorite player by the time, and he made this kit so legendary for me, right? But I always like a bit of white in an away kit. If anything, a dominant all white. Because look at what it gives you. This is a touch of class, elegance. You know, white is a symbol of royalty, and that's what the Pirates resemble, certainly after the season they've had. So this is a beautiful kit. I'm definitely getting this one. Release date is 30th of July. So you have 2 months to save, which is enough time. You don't want to miss out on this one.
Orlando Pirates is doing way too much now. Way too much. Orlando Pirates have released their home kit for the 2026-2027 season. And I'll be honest, listen, I support Kaizer Chiefs. But this kit looks nice. Oh. Black and gold. That's us normally. Gold and black. But yeah. Black and gold Orlando Pirates. This kit looks nice. I won't even lie. And you thought that would end there. No, Orlando Pirates. You know that they do too much all the time. They released their away kit same time. And the away kitty. Fire. The away kit looks amazing. Yo. I can't hate this kid. This kid looks nice. But Adidas, you must understand, these are my rivals. I can't be like, nice kid. Now I've just said it, nice kid. Pirates are doing too much. And Adidas, you also adding to all of this. I don't like what I'm seeing. They just finished the treble. They finished all the trophies on the weekend. They took all of them. And then now, kit. We are still digesting the treble. Now then we had to deal with the reels, the marketing, admin team released on Instagram. Now, kit, home and away. This team is doing a lot straight. Us on the other hand, hi, yo.
Hamba uzubuye. Hamba ubuye. What a beautiful jersey. U-Adidas ne-Pirate bahlanganile basikhiphela usweet wento. Wow, beautiful. Superb, perfection, beyond perfection, in fact, beyond perfection. Ijezi elisha le-Orlando Pirates ka-2026-27 season, what a gem. Mfethu mina nje isitalo sami angikaze ngathanda iskipa esiyigolf esinesipika, angisithandi. Kodwa kule game ubukeke ngazuthi ngizoba i-owner, ngizokhipha imali ephaketheni lami ngithenge iskipa esinekhola. Ngani ngoba this is why. What a jersey. Kakhulukazi away jersey. Ngiyambona uBlack kodwa nawo bafana bakithi awabuki bu. Asiqale ngohome kabeyama, asiqale ngohome buka la. Look at this mfethu. Creation. Adidas. Ukhiphe kakhulu umlenze la Adidas bafana. Ukhipha unyawo, what a jersey. Buka mfethu i-striping. Buka mfethu, buka ukotini uhanjiswe kanjani. Buka mfethu i-design. Hayi mfethu ngeke angeke usebenze kakhulu Adidas la. Ngiyaqala ukubona mini Pirates idedeli jersey season iphela nje. Ele season elandelayo ingoba bayazethemba ngento abayenzile, ba proud ngento abayenzile. Bafethu ngiyaqinisekisa, ngiyashicilela, ngiyasayinda ukuthi leli ke lona ngizolo owner leli ngizolo owner bese ngithenga nela last season elimnyama ngoba phela lweni league yabona lelo ke liqopha umlando ngizothenga elimnyama la last season naleli. What a beautiful jersey. Lingikhumbuza leli orange nalo ngalithengiswa yizi izime kanje. I-creativity was on point. What a beautiful jersey for the Orlando Pirates. I can't wait for the new season. Ngathi Arsenal ke ngathi Arsenal